part 3 of my jogging here in Manila. I can see badminton players, more aerobic workout, and yeah, badminton. People here are addicted to badminton. Everywhere I look, there are more or less badminton players. Nice. Aerobics. Yeah. People are walking still. People are biking. Some people are cleaning up the park. Look at this. It's nice. Okay, running. I'm pretty sure it can outrun me. I'm not that much of a runner anymore. And nice sun, nice place, beautiful breeze. Good place for an exercise. So let's take a walk here. Most probably we will see more aerobic workouts. Sorry if I say it wrong. I forgot the terms. And you might not hear my voice because of their music. It's turned up so loud. And here, see? Old people. Not just old people though. Some are middle age, around my age, 23 and above. Some are 30 plus. Some are 40 plus. Keeping in shape. And here, I think you can see the instructor. Let's take a walk. I hope the sound doesn't block out my voice from taking this bit. This is, I think, Manila Bay. Nice, lots of boats. Lots of... Oh, there's a guy fishing. What's he fishing about? What he's fishing out of those waters? I don't know. I don't have an idea. But yeah, maybe he's gonna catch something for lunch. I hope. Nice view, nice boat. Oops, excuse me. Nice. Yeah. You can smell the fresh ocean air. People are walking. There are the aerobic people. Their age is nice. I'm at loss for words. Haven't seen this much people exercising at one time. Guess I'm not that used. There's a dragon boat, I think. Yeah, you can just zoom it in. If I'm pointing in the right direction though. Well, I hope you can see it. As we all know, dragon boat people, the Philippines is, I think, one of the leading dragon boat competitors, and more aerobic people. Let's zoom it out for a much clearer view. See? Even Grandpa is having the time of his life exercising. The one in the yellow. Trying his very best. Nice. And there's hot lady. I think a mom. People around here are taking their time. Yeah, listen to the music. People here, kids, not so kids. Oh, taho vendor. Sweetened bean curd. Nice. There's a yellow cap. Right after the exercise, you put back all those calories. And more view of the Manila Bay. I'm getting this right. Yep, Manila Bay. Boats owned by I don't know who. Maybe some rich people. Oh, there's a little boat going up. There they are. Nice. And let's zoom it out. Get a clear view of Manila Bay. People just hanging out right after their exercise. More food. Damn, I'm getting hungry. And proudly, the Philippine flag. So proud of my country. My Pacquiao, Charis Pempenko, God knows who else. Ah, wait, this is kindergarten? Most of the restaurants here are still closed. Starbucks! I think I'm gonna grab a coffee later. Have a warm up to wake up. Wake me up if I'm ready, not awake at this point. And maybe grab some breakfast too. And oh look, what did I find here? More aerobic workouters. Not yet in action though. People here warming up, some resting, family hanging out. It's happy to see such people hanging out. Miss hanging out with my family. Photographer. She looks hot. Manila Bay. Nice. Oh, my. I think it's a floating restaurant. No. Oops. Nearly bumped myself there. See? This is nice. Starbucks. Maybe I'm gonna grab a drink and a bite. Think. There. See for yourself how health-box Filipinos are. This is third time I'm showing you aerobic exercisers, and there's some tiangge. I think they call it in Tagalog tiangge. Already open and selling various types of clothes for a very, very low price. 100? 100 for what? Per piece? That's nice. People here are... Oh, De La Salle University jersey. I mean, yeah. Wish to go down one of those. Yeah. I have to close my camera for now. One last look of another group of aerobic exercisers. Yeah, that's part 3. Bye.